Do you know, I don't know what it is. Sometimes it's just so easy in this day and age just to get so distracted. I'm just, at the moment, I'm editing a poster that has not been created using AI. So I'm in sort of production mode at this minute. And it's really hot as well. Struggling with the direction of my YouTube, to be honest. I really am. So, if anyone's got any ideas for those who have watched my YouTube, it'd be good to find out what people have got to say. So I've got a lecture this evening, archaeology lecture, which is live on YouTube, 7:10 if anyone wants to join. I've got the cat there. I've got the sheep there. I don't know if anyone's watching. Do you know, had a good chat with a couple of people last night, actually, doing a live. It's really useful. And both of them were into sort of history and archaeology, which was great. Just doing some editing for my class tonight. And we're going to mention the new film, Odysseus. And although people don't like the Odysseus film, as far as I know, very little AI, very little CGI was used in its making, which I think is brilliant. We don't, people are there to act, and I'm just really getting sick of all this CGI shit. So anyone watching this now, please like and subscribe. So I'm probably doing this live because it's a bit of company in it. So a bit of company. Something flashing up on my screen. It's not helping. My live. My live. I don't know if anyone's out there, but if you are, subscribe to my channel, like,